Hey friends, this video is about how to get this Halloween look that you just saw at the beginning of the video. So let's get right into it. We're gonna start with these two products, Naked Skin Concealer. That's the color corrector, and I love that orangey color corrector look. NARS. I forgot what color it is, but as you can see, it's like kind of coffee. I'm blending it in under my eyes. I put the 4 stripes so that it can blend in evenly under my eyes. That's why I start. And oh my gosh, these eyelashes, I actually went and got them done. That right there is Bobbi Brown, I think. That's Bobbi Brown foundation. I'm putting that all over my dark spots. And like I was saying about the lashes, I think I went and got my lashes done somewhere. They're not the strip on. Oh my gosh, getting lashes on individually is so much better than getting strips. So, yes, I'm putting that all over my face. And as you can see, this is a Halloween makeup tutorial. So, I do have these blue contacts in my eyes. I love blue contacts. I don't care who judge me. So I'm putting it in the middle of my forehead, on my chin, on my sides. I actually saw this on another YouTube video. So I'm just following the same trend. I did it before. It came out so cute. So I'm doing it again. I'm using NARS again. Actually, I think both of those are concealers. The NARS concealer and the orange color corrector concealer. Okay, so yeah, I'm putting that everywhere. My nose is kind of swollen on one side. As you guys can see, my allergies are getting to me. If I just put the regular sound on this video, you will be able to hear it. Oh my gosh, it's bad. But yeah, so excuse my nose, it's a little swole. Okay, so I'm putting 2 lines, 3 lines each, you know, at the most, and then I'm going to blend it in really good. First, I'm blending the chin, then I'm blending the sides. I'm just blending everywhere, guys, just to make sure it just gets in evenly everywhere. Yes, it's already coming out of the color that I wanted to even out my skin tone. As I always say, y'all, I don't really like makeup too much, but when I'm doing like something like this, or you know, a picture, photo shoot, a video or something, a special occasion of going out, I put on makeup, but most of the time I don't. Okay, I'm getting under my eyes. Oop, I missed a spot right there. So I'm going to put some more concealer right there. And then I'm going to dub it in so it can be all smooth. Because the thing is to get it smooth, guys, to get all the lines and stripes out. All the lines and stripes out of it. Okay? So we're going all in the cracks, all in the middle of the forehead. All around the nose. Ooh, I can't believe my nose is swollen right here, and I'm showing you guys. That's how you know I'm getting so used to doing this. This is so fun to me, guys. If you don't have a YouTube channel, make you one. Okay, this is my foundation set, contour set. I'm learning the words. I'm learning. Okay, so I put that color on. I'm smoothing it in there, rubbing it all together. Rubbing it all in together. You see it's giving it kind of like a tint orange, brownish, tannish color. It's going in so nicely. And I'm just going to highlight my face with that, so I won't look so like yellowy yellowy brown. Putting it under my eyes also to blend in that color. Can't you see the difference from there and there? Okay. So I'm going all around the mouth. The mouth. All on the eyebrows. Okay, so let's get into these eyebrows. Okay, I'm putting the pencil on. Oh, I need a little more blending. I know you see that, but just act like you don't see that, okay? Okay, I have a pencil. I'm still a pencil girl. I'm gonna get into the other techniques later, but yeah, I'm going tracing over my eyebrows simply with a pencil. Nothing too spectacular. Tracing those eyebrows. Let's get into these eyebrows, please. Because, you know, it's like a coloring book. And then it's like you're drawing in the eyebrows, you're coloring in the eyebrows. It just bring the picture to life. It just bring your face to life. Like, just bring it out. Ooh, those eyelashes. I don't remember where I went and got those done. But, oh, my gosh, those are my favorite set of eyelashes, y'all. But let's get into it. So, oh, I got that little spot right there that I was looking at, that little streak. You know, we can't miss a spot. Okay, I'm still. Okay, so now we're going to get into the edges. Just the moves. There's a lot of body moves when I'm using one of those edge brush comb things. And I'm just simply smoothing it out, laying it down so it can look laid. Laying my edges with the edge. That edge controller usually turns white, so I don't really recommend that. It's only good for a couple hours. Then it gets a little flaky. So I don't know what kind of edge control you guys use, but yeah, I don't recommend any right now. I haven't found any good ones yet. So once I do, I will let you guys know. Stay tuned. Keep watching my videos. I'm going to give you guys all the information. I'm slowly opening up. Like I said, I don't have many friends, so YouTube is like an outlet so I can talk. It's like, you know, y'all my friends, and I can just express myself and just be myself. It is so fun. So anyways, let's get into these edges. Let's get the other side of the edges, girl. Smooth that down. Smooth it down. Smooth on those edges. Okay. Brush it down. Make it real smooth. Ooh, if I could find some good edge control that stay laid like this without that white flaky stuff, oh my gosh. It would be so lit. Okay. Okay, so I'm just moving this around, trying to get it right. That is that bumblebee bees. I forgot. I got it from Walmart. Burt's Lip Chap, and they have a little tint to it. Oh my gosh, that's all I need. Y'all, I don't really do much, and I don't really want to do anything with the makeup, but I'll just do it. You know, you have to do it sometimes. So, yes, this is the finishing look. Oh, yes, girl, I think I'm cute. Y'all, make sure you subscribe to get this Halloween look. And whatever other look you want, please comment below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what other videos you want to see. My name is Delisha. Follow me on Instagram. Love you.